Hello guys, support us and subscribe to our channel, give likes and write comments. Today we will read
Incredible Dreams Come True.
Well, let's get started.
Once upon a time, there was a young boy named Jack who had a dream of becoming a famous musician. He loved playing the guitar and singing, and he practiced every day to improve his skills. However, Jack faced many obstacles on his journey to achieve his dream. First, he struggled with self-doubt and often questioned his abilities. He would often compare himself to other musicians and feel discouraged. But Jack knew that he had to believe in himself if he wanted to achieve his dream. He set small goals for himself and celebrated each achievement, which helped him to build his confidence. Another obstacle Jack faced was financial difficulties. His family was not well off and could not afford to buy him the expensive instruments and equipment he needed to pursue his passion. But Jack did not let this stop him. He worked hard to save money and eventually was able to buy the equipment he needed. He also sought out free resources and advice from experienced musicians to help him improve his skills. Jack faced other challenges along the way, such as stage fright, rejection, and criticism. But he never gave up. He used each setback as an opportunity to learn and grow. He continued to practice and improve his skills, and eventually, he was able to land gigs and began to build a fan base. With determination and hard work, Jack was able to overcome these obstacles and eventually achieved his dream of becoming a successful musician. He learned that with perseverance and determination, anything is possible. He also learned that if you are truly passionate about something, you will find a way to make it happen. Jack's story is an inspiration to all who dream of achieving something great, but face obstacles on the way. With his dream now a reality, Jack continued to grow as a musician and performer. He wrote and recorded his own music, and soon his albums were topping the charts. He went on tour, playing to sold-out crowds around the world. Jack was living his dream and was grateful for all the opportunities that came his way. But he never forgot where he came from. He remembered the struggles and obstacles he faced on his journey to success. And he knew that not everyone had the same opportunities as him. That's why he started a music school for underprivileged children, where he shared his knowledge and passion for music with the next generation. He wanted to give back to his community and help others achieve their own dreams. The music school was a huge success, and Jack was able to help many children who otherwise would not have had access to music education. He also used his platform to raise awareness for various charitable causes and help to make a difference in the lives of many people. Despite his fame, Jack remained humble and grounded. He was always willing to help others and was always available to give advice and support to anyone who needed it. He was a role model and an inspiration to many, and his legacy lived on through the music school and the many young musicians he helped to inspire. Years passed, and Jack became a respected and accomplished musician. He had achieved everything he had ever wanted, but his passion for music never wavered. He continued to write and perform, always pushing himself to improve and evolve as an artist. And in the end, it was this passion and dedication that cemented his place in music history. Jack's story is a reminder that with hard work and determination, anything is possible. His journey from a young boy with a dream to a successful musician is a testament to the power of perseverance and the importance of never giving up on your goals and dreams. It's also a reminder that success is not only about achieving your own goals, but also about helping others and making a positive impact on the world. As Jack grew older, he became more reflective and nostalgic. He would often think back on his journey and all the people who had helped him along the way. He was grateful for all the experiences he had had and for the impact he had made on others. He decided that it was time to pass on his knowledge and experience to the next generation of musicians. He began mentoring young artists and helping them to navigate the industry. He shared his wisdom and offered guidance on everything from songwriting to performing and marketing. Through his mentorship, Jack was able to help many young musicians achieve their own dreams. They would often tell him that his guidance and support had been invaluable and that they would not be where they were without him. Jack was proud of the impact he had made and was happy to have played a part in the success of so many young artists. As he entered his later years, Jack began to slow down a bit. He still performed occasionally, but he had retired from touring and was content to spend more time with his family. He continued to work with the music school and mentor young musicians, but he was also able to enjoy his retirement and spend time with his loved ones. In the end, Jack's legacy lived on through his music and the countless lives he had touched. He had achieved his dream and had helped others to do the same. He had made a positive impact on the world, and his music will continue to inspire and entertain for generations to come.
Thank you! Learn English with us easily and fun. Support us and subscribe to our channel. Give likes and write comments. Watch new videos on our channel every day. See you soon and bye-bye.